A wide variety of air pollutants are associated with different industries. Examples include chemicals such as hexane, styrene, phenol, methyl methacrylate, maleic anhydride, which are commonly used in the chemical and petrochemical industries, formaldehyde, which is associated with the furniture making and painting industries, and isopropyl alcohol, which is related to the printing industry. These pollutants are classified as volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and they may cause adverse health effects in humans. Due to the extensive use of the chemicals in the premises concerned, the offices and buildings nearby will also be heavily polluted. With the traditional ventilation system, such as the ventilation fan, negative pressure is generated in the room and fresh air is drawn in from the outside. This normally works very well when the outside air is clean. But what if the outdoor air is highly polluted, as in the case of an office located beside a heavily polluting factory or a landfill that continuously generates disgusting odor? When outdoor air is not suitable to breathe, negative pressure will only make indoor air worse, as outdoor pollutants will seep in through the windows and doors with the airflow generated. Some people might think that staying in an airtight room will solve the problem, but this will allow the buildup of carbon dioxide and temperature, and will actually do more harm than good to the people inside. Moreover, polluted air will also continuously seep into the room through a process called infiltration. Our pollutants isolation system, or PIS for short, provides a concrete solution for this situation. To create a clean room in a polluted area, PIS can be simply installed as a ventilation fan for supplying fresh air to the room. PIS is equipped with a dust filter and an NCCO reactor. The dust filter can remove bacteria, viruses, pollens, and suspended particulates, while the NCCO reactor, using the NCCO technology, can deal with gaseous pollutants such as VOCs. When untreated air is drawn into the system, the dust filter will remove solid phase pollutants from the incoming air. Gas phase pollutants will be treated by the catalytic materials inside the NCCO reactor using our patented NCCO technology. After the treatment, clean and purified air is released into the room. Due to the direction of airflow created by the system, the room is kept under a positive pressure. An air screen is created by the system against the outside contaminated air, which is prevented from seeping into the room through door and window gaps. The system continuously pumps in fresh purified air and pushes out contaminated air. This constant airflow can greatly reduce the amount of contaminated air seeping in and remove any pollutants present indoor, thereby successfully creating a clean room in a polluted area. What is NCCO? It is an innovative patented technology in air purification. N stands for nano, which is the unit of measure. It is used for measuring extremely tiny objects like atoms and molecules. 1 nanometer is 100,000 times smaller than the diameter of a human hair. Our catalytic material is a non-poisonous, recyclable mineral material with well-defined nanocavities. C stands for confined. The shape-selective properties of our catalytic material allow their usage in molecular adsorption. A granule of catalytic material with a diameter of 0.4 cm has around 400 feet of adsorption tunnel. The catalytic material is able to adsorb certain molecules and exclude others. This can result in the efficient removal of certain types of pollutants from the environment. The second C stands for catalytic. There are transition metals impregnated within the porous structure of our catalytic material. The transition metals impregnated inside the catalytic material can enhance the reaction rate between gaseous contaminants and oxidants. O stands for oxidation. Active oxygen is generated and it is able to oxidize gaseous contaminants into non-harmful products such as water molecules and carbon dioxide, which will leave the catalytic material and regenerate another site for the absorption of pollutants. As a result, the NCCO technology is a sustainable technology which can remove pollutants from the environment by trapping them inside the catalytic material and converting them into non-harmful products. What is active oxygen? They are highly reactive molecules with oxygen atoms. The active oxygen includes oxygen, oxygen radicals, negatively and positively charged oxygen, ozone, hydroxyl radicals, hydroxyl ions, and hydrogen peroxide. Active oxygen is generated in front of the dust filter by the active oxygen generator and transferred towards the NCCO reactor along the airflow. The trapped bacteria and viruses are then inactivated or even killed by the active oxygen. In other words, the bacteria are no longer able to replicate or threaten human health. Any excess active oxygen generated by the system will be converted into harmless oxygen by the NCCO reactor. PIS can efficiently decompose harmful VOCs into harmless water and carbon dioxide and release them back into the area. Now we'll see how powerful the system is. Here's a 1 cubic meter box with a machine inside, and we'll release smoke in there. After the box is saturated with smoke, we'll turn on the machine. One and a half minutes later, the air has been purified. Paint and furniture release volatile organic compounds, also known as VOCs. VOCs can be dangerous to human health, and some of them are odorless and colorless. We'll release VOCs in this approximately 150 square feet office and use a TVOC monitor to measure the TVOC concentration. When the concentration reaches 4,000 parts per billion, or ppb, we'll turn on the machine. After 6 minutes, the TVOC concentration is lowered to 395 ppb, which means the concentration has dropped at an average rate of 515 ppb per minute, and in less than 30 minutes, the concentration has dropped to below 120 ppb. This reading falls into the good class level for indoor air set by the Hong Kong Environmental Protection Department. RHD Limited is an environmental consultant company specializing in indoor air quality. We provide consultancy services and solutions in domestic, commercial and industrial areas. Our subsidiary, Akron International Technology Limited, was founded as a joint venture under the entrepreneurship program of the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Our company therefore receives research and development support from the university, which serves as a strong base for the technology commercialization and product design. With our expertise and excellence, we have developed close partnership with many leading companies and institutions and created numerous successful cases. For example, in 2007, we worked with the largest bank in Hong Kong to deal with a foul smell problem in their 60,000 square feet data center located beside the landfill. The problem no longer existed after the installation of our system into their fresh air unit. We also worked with many partners using our state-of-the-art technology to solve the unsolvable.